gonna start by removing the drain plug. That takes an 8mm Allen. Make sure you have your drain pan in the correct location to catch your oil. And here we go. Check your drain plug for any metal shavings. This one has a little bit on there. Not too much. As you're cleaning it off, check for your seal, your O-ring here. You'll want to make sure that's in good shape, otherwise you'll need to replace it. This one's good. Once the oil is done draining, you can reinstall your drain plug. Gonna remove the fill plug, takes the same 8mm Allen. Once you remove it, you'll want to check and make sure your O-ring's in good shape. Today we're going to be using Polaris transmission fluid. You'll want to fill this up until it seeps out of the fill hole. Wipe off any excess that's spilled out. Reinstall your fill plug. And that's how simple it is to change your oil in your transmission. Happy riding.